Welcome back to Mount Western Raceway. This is Heat 2 of the Minis versus Mustangs. And joining me all the way from New Zealand is Hot Wheel Boys. Hot Wheel Boys, you've seen Heat 1. What are your thoughts going into Heat 2?
Kia ora. Well, the Heat 1 was really interesting, and yes, the Mustangs really did well, dominating on the track on Mount Western Raceway. Let's see if the Mini Coopers can do better today.
I totally agree. If the Minis can stay on track in a straight line, they're really going to be a domineering force around this track. The Mustangs, however, do have the advantage of the extra weight and the longer wheelbases. Let's have a look at our cars for tonight.
Well, today we have two fantastic Coopers, the yellow Cooper and the blue Cooper S Challenge.
Some nice looking Minis there. However, let's look at the Mustangs. Straight up, we have the green Turbo. And right alongside of him is the 92 Ford Mustang. Here are your race rules. 4 points for a win, 3 for second, 2 for third, 1 for fourth place, a DNF with no points. Both a Mini and a Mustang with the highest points will go through to the semi-final. All cars are set for race 1.
Up front we got the green Mustang and the blue Mini Cooper. Here we go.
The green Mustang pushing hard through turn 1. Here come the Minis. Oh, it's a bit of a pile-up going into turn 2.
It looks like the green Mustang is coming in for the win. Oh my goodness, wow, what a win by the blue Mini Cooper. Fantastic.
What a race. Both the Minis getting across the line for a 4 and a 2-pointer. The green Turbo getting second place and 3 points.
Well, the Mini just made it over the line, and the 92 Ford Mustang is checking out Metromania 3D's logo.
Looking back at the minor places, the Mini Cooper S right out front, the Mustang in second, and that yellow Mini coming in there for third place. Race 2 of Mini versus Mustangs.
We have both Minis up front, and they're off.
The Mini's taking control.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we've got a man down, and here come the Mustangs. Beautiful line out of turn 2.
And here comes the green Mustang for the win.
Coming home in a 10.60.
Oh, and a bit of a pile-up. As you know, the saying goes, behind every Mustang is a Mini Cooper.
Both Mustangs getting across the line, and the little yellow Mini with that late charge. The Cooper S stuck upside down right down the back.
Looking at the minor placings, the yellow Mini gets second and the Ford Mustang gets third.
On the front line's the yellow Mini and the 92 Ford Mustang.
And they're off. And the yellow Mini takes the lead into turn 1.
A big spin out there by the yellow Mini. Coming in backwards. Can he hold on and get across the line?
A late push by the 92 Ford Mustang. Wow, what a win.
Excellent takeover there by the 92 Ford Mustang. And the yellow Mini saw the finish line and choked right there.
In first place, the 92 Ford Mustang. In second place, the yellow Cooper. And in third, the blue Cooper S Challenge.
And the green Mustang just crawling across the line. Hot Wheel Boys, we've got the Minis up the back.
We have the two Mustangs in the front, and they're off. And the green Mustang is pulling away into turn 1.
Oh, the green Mustang's really flooring it here. Look at him go.
And here comes the green Mustang for the win. Wow, what a win by the green Mustang in 8.8 seconds.
The green Mustang really showing us how it's done here on Mount Western Raceway, and those Minis just doing everything they can to catch up.
And there's the 92 Ford Mustang upside down. Oh my goodness.
Unfortunate for the Mustangs. Let's look at the minor placings here.
We have the Cooper S Challenge in second place and the yellow Cooper in third place for 2 points.
Looking at tonight's results from Heat 2, and the Minis really closing the gap there between the Mustangs. 41 versus 33.
And going through to the next round is the yellow Cooper and the green Turbo Mustang. What great racing it has been on Mount Western Raceway.
Hot Wheel Boys, Heat 2, the pressure was really on tonight. However, the Minis really closing that gap. What are your thoughts?
Well, the Minis really needed those points tonight on MWR. They did really well. And yep, let's see what happens in Heat 3.
Great summary there, Hot Wheel Boys. Well, my money's on the underdog, and that's the Minis, and I really hope in Heat 3 they show these Mustangs a thing or two. So, Hot Wheel Boys, thanks again for co-hosting tonight. We will see you back in Heat 4. That's a wrap on MWR. Until next time, catch you later. A big thank you to our co-hosts, NZ Racing and Hot Wheel Boys. Give them a thumbs up, check them out on social media, and leave a comment. This program is proudly sponsored by NZ Racing, CRC Racing and Po Boy Racing.